You know, it's just as important in a virtual environment like Zoom to maintain eye contact with your audience as it is in an in-person meeting. Hi, I'm Paul Barton from Phoenix Public Speaking with a quick tip for you. One way to make sure that you're maintaining crucial eye contact as either a speaker or as just a participant is to move those photos or the images of the people in your meeting right underneath your webcam. That way, when you're looking at their faces, you're looking at your webcam and maintaining that crucial eye contact. Did you know that you can actually rearrange the images in Zoom? And that's a great tip to help you maintain that crucial eye contact, whether you're the presenter or even just in the audience. Hey, for more tips about Zoom and other presentation skills, be sure and subscribe.